how do I add YubiKey to Windows? To use a YubiKey on Windows 10, you will need to install the YubiKey software and drivers on your computer. Here are the steps. 1. Insert the YubiKey into a USB port on your computer. 2. Download and install the YubiKey Manager software from the YubiKey website. 3. Once installed, open the YubiKey Manager software. 4. Click on the Applications tab and select the application you want to use the YubiKey with, e.g., Google, LastPass, etc. 5. Follow the prompts to configure the YubiKey for use with the selected application. 6. Once configured, you can use the YubiKey to authenticate yourself when logging into the selected application. Note that not all applications support YubiKey authentication, so you may need to check with the application's documentation. If none of these solutions work, you may contact YubiKey support for further assistance. Link in description box.